Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to screenshot a truth on True Social using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for True Social, be able to use the screenshot function on a Mac. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to truesocial.com. We can use the shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Go to True Social. And now let's just make sure that we are signed into the account. Now let's go to our profile. And so let's scroll to, let's say, the pinned post. And in order for us to screenshot, we can use Command-Shift-4. This will allow us to screenshot a section. So here I am screenshotting or screen capturing the pinned post on True Social. That has now been saved to the desktop. Let's just click on this. So that is the pinned post on my True Social account. Computer Science Videos YouTube channel, a couple of hashtags just to let the audience or the fans who have followed my account where to find me on my channel. So we can now quit preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.